Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to Fun Learn with Deepti. Today we are going to do the conversion of one unit to another unit. We already know that 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So now the first thing that we are going to learn today is conversion of length. So when we want to convert meter into centimeter, that means this is the bigger unit, meter is the bigger unit and centimeter is the smaller unit. So whenever we want to go from bigger to smaller unit, if we want to move from bigger unit to smaller unit like meter to centimeter, what we need to do? We need to multiply. This we have to remember. Okay. And whenever we want to move from smaller unit to bigger unit, we need to divide. So these are the two basic rules. So now let's see how to convert this 72 meter into centimeter. So we will first write 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. It's not 1000. Many of the students, what they do, they write 1 meter equals to 1000 centimeter. So we don't have to write that. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Now, if we want 72 meter, when we move from bigger unit to smaller unit, what we need to do? We need to multiply. So, 72 multiplied by what? This 100. Now, simply multiply it. 7 2 and then 2 zeros are there. So, at the end there will be 2 0. Okay. So, this is in centimeter. 72 meter equals to 7200 centimeter. Now let's do one more question. 45 meter, let's say 90 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So now when the question like this comes, no, many of the students get confused. It is already in centimeter and then they want the answer in centimeter. What we need to do? So see, in this question there is meter part and centimeter part. In this part we don't have to do anything. We just need to convert this 45 meter to centimeter. So we will write this full and then we write 45 meter is equals to, as we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 45 meter will be equals to 45 multiplied by 100 centimeter. Now this 90 centimeter is already in centimeter. So we don't need to convert. We just have to write as it is. 90 centimeter. Now do the calculation. 4500 plus 90. And this is in centimeter. Okay. So when you will add it, you will find that the answer is 4590 centimeter or 4590 centimeter. Okay, simple. Now, if suppose we want to convert this 2 kilometer into meter. So again, bigger unit to smaller unit, bigger to smaller, what we need to do? We need to multiply, correct? We already know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Yes, I have written it here also. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So if we want to convert this 2 kilometer into meter, we need to multiply it with 1000. Then only we are going to get what? 2000 meter. So therefore 2 kilometer is equals to 2000 meter. Now this question was very simple. Now let's complicate it. Let's suppose we want to convert this 2 kilometer 350 meter into meter. So now we have to focus in this part, 2 kilometer. 350 is already in meter, we don't have to do anything in that. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to convert this 2 kilometer into meter. And how we are going to do it? Just multiply by 1000. Okay, why? Because 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So 2 multiplied by 1000, and this part is already in meter, so we just have to add this one. Okay, so what will be your final answer? 2000 plus this 350, so 2350 meter. So 2 kilometer 350 meter is equals to 2350 meter, correct? So if we want to convert 7 decameter 9 meter to centimeter, that means we have to move from bigger unit to smaller unit. That means we have to multiply. Okay, so by what we should multiply? We need to count the steps. So 1 step, 2 step and 3 step. Deca to centi we can reach in 3 steps. So multiplied by 10, multiplied by 10, multiplied by 10. That means multiplied by 1000. So 7 multiplied by 1000 plus 9. Now meter to centimeter, how many steps? 1, 2 steps. That means multiplied by 10, multiplied by 10. So multiplied by 100. This is in centimeter. Okay. So your final answer will be 7000 plus 900. That will be equals to 7900 centimeter. Now in the same way we can convert 5 kilometers, 6 hectometer, 7 DAM to meter. Kilometer to meter. So how many steps? 1, 2 and 3 steps. So 5 multiplied by 1000 plus 6 hectometer to meter. So hecto to meter 1, 2. So multiplied by 10, multiplied by 10. That means 100. So 6 multiplied by 100 plus 7 DAM. DAM to meter multiplied by 10. So you will get 5000 plus 600 plus 70. Okay, so 5670 meter. Okay, so now in this question we need to convert centimeter to meter, means smaller unit to bigger unit. That means you need to divide. Here in this case also smaller unit to bigger unit, that means you need to divide. Okay, so what you need to divide, that can be decided by this table. So centimeter to meter. Now how many times you need to move? 1 and 2, and each gap is of 10. So you need to divide by 100. 785 divided by 100. So it will be 7 meter and 85 centimeter. And there is a trick. What we can do is we just have to write the last 2 digits from the right side as it is and write centimeter here and the remaining digit as meter. Now you can take one more example, 1735 centimeter to meter. So last 2 digit 35 as centimeter and the remaining digit will be meter. Okay. Now the next question is 6500 meter to kilometer. Now what we have to do? We have to divide it with 1000. But why 1000? Now let's check. This is meter and we have to move to kilometer. So meter 1, 2, 3. So 3 times we have to move. There are 3 steps. So we need to divide it with 1000. Okay. So when you will divide it with 1000, you will get 6 kilometer and 500 meter. Now, is there any trick in this also? Yes, there is one trick. So last 3 digit will be meter and the remaining digit will be in kilometer. The last 3 digit here is 500. This is in meter, and the remaining digit, that is 6, is kilometer. Now take one more example. 1365 meter to kilometer. As I said, last 3 digit will be meter. That means 365 will be meter, and the remaining this one will be kilometer. So in one go you can decide that this is equals to 1 kilometer 365 meter. I hope this whole video is very helpful to you all, and thanks for watching.